Hello, in this video I'm going to show a demo of BotFightHero, and this game is free to download and the link will be in the description. This is the main menu. Continue will continue the level. Restart will restart the level. Lobby takes you to the lobby. Before you can play the game, you have to agree to the end user license agreement. Quit will quit the game. This is the statistics for the game. Options allows you to change the number of red and green bots in the game, so you can make it more difficult or easy, whichever you want to do. Settings, this will set the resolution. This is the license. Credits, about, and website will launch the website. This is the lobby. That's the exit. That'll restart the lobby. Level 1, level 2. These are the game commands. The weapons are here. I'm going to grab this grenade. This will spawn an enemy so you can practice. This is level 1. This is level 2.